Good evening, or morning, or whenever you decide to start viewing this. Today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different teardown. Because this thing right here, this Evergrind E202 food waste disposer, as it says right there, caused a lot of grief and drama recently for the household. So, we're going to tear it down and see if we find anything interesting. Pretty much all other identifying info, although I don't think any of it's really useful. Now this is just a part loosely put back on after we put the new one in. Now what was the cause of most of the drama here was this confounded crack right along here. It was starting to leak a not a small amount of water. And right on in there is all disgusting bits and whatnot. Some of these little accessories on here are actually new because it was actually a lot easier just to leave certain things in place. So let's see if I can just undo this part. I think this is how you do it. Yep, okay. At it from the bottom. That's just a screw to keep the plate in, and that's the grounding screw, if I'm not mistaken. Fine, I'll use the other one. Because I'm doing this outside and I didn't find a proper tripod, I'm kind of doing this with one hand. So this is going to be fun. That surprisingly worked better. Any other bits I can get at? No, it doesn't look like it, so we'll have to get at those things somehow. Actually not as well prepared as I would like to be for this, but yeah, I'm getting this done now. Yeah, this is totally not the right way to to take something like this apart. Yeah, totally not. I'm gonna put the camera down for a sec. So I have to turn it for a little bit. It just comes right out. That's almost a troll there. I mean, the engineers were jerks. Well, welcome back from the edit. So I think bottom part comes off. Yeah, the bottom part comes off. All right. Alright, see if it's not just lifting off. Maybe if I just wedge something in there. Oh, okay, so this part right here hold on a sec. Okay, I think I can get it to just lift off now. Actually, no. Now, some of it's just spinning around. Well, Yeah, okay. Ooh. That's some nice copper wire, I think, in there. What is that, an overload switch in there? Or some sort of cutoff? And is that just... yeah, that's straight up just cardboard. Huh. Interesting. Well, okay. Does the rest of this assembly come out? Oh, looks like it's stuck in there pretty good. But maybe the other end comes out? Nope. But some plastic bits, I think, do latch out or something. Okay, let's see what that's freed up. I think it's that part right there. I'll get hold of that part. Oh, those are spade connectors, aren't they? Let's see if I can just undo them. There's not really a whole lot of clearance to do that, and the white plastic might be hung up on something else. Yep. It's right there staring me in the face. Why didn't I notice that before? Well, alright, well, let's try it now. Okay, so some of that is going into the winding. I think that's the correct term. I need to do something with both hands. One sec. Okay, got out that part of it. And yeah, that part is just that. And now we got 3 wires going all about the place. Let's see if I can take out that cardboard piece. Any more insight as to what's going on? Sort of. I think we've learned all we could from that part of it. Let's see if there's anything interesting over here. Maybe, maybe not. This is that thing that you put the Allen wrench type thing in there so that, you know, you can free a jam or something. Got some springs on here. Other bits of the motor assembly. And a whole lot else until we get to the whole plastic covering, which is the part of the thing that really failed us the most. Interesting thing just happened just now, and welcome back from the edit again. Some wallpaper or laminating type stuff or something just flew out of there when I freed that. That's all yucky. Well, this consecutive piece right here doesn't seem to be all that much worse for wear. I mean, it was in for a bit, and yeah, some of that's going to rust. And those sharp metal bits and whatnot are what make the whole thing get food processed and whatnot. And I think I've thrown it off kilter just by handling it this way, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to see much by undoing that nut and bolt right there. But yeah, what's in the rest of this is really just a housing for the whole thing. Well, had to switch to another camera. So, if I didn't already cover this, there's the teeth in the hole there. And you can see the other side of the gap that was causing all that problem. if it wasn't in such a integral place, it might be worth repairing, because, you know, it's just plastic and I think PVC or something. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The Evergrind E202 food waste disposer.